Me, I'm okay. Look. I'm going to push the bike down there. Okay, so. I was the only one. I give you the push the bike. Yeah, of course.
Guys, rain start to fall. And you want to go in the car? Yeah. And I say, I could go in the car now?
That was good, though.
Yeah.
Alright. Want beer?
Cold beer? You, yeah, cold beer.
I best thing.
Cold beer.
Make a boy sleep good.
Yes, to make him want a nice sleep.
Sleep here. Make you sleep good.
I see the video, that's all. Jesus, Zoe! Mika boom.
No, not not today. Next day. Not today. You bring moms come look for me. That feels good. You guys just made me. You really made my day. No, but not yesterday. I was asking you for it. Was it yesterday? All right.
All right. No, see Father there.
Yeah.
Tell him see how you.
What
Camera setting.
Daniel.
Tell us.
Restart that same thing about. Every time I put a few nice, it's nice, true man, it's nice. Then do horseback riding and then the photos down here. Everybody are chill out. Just not wait till they wait for them one time in like, what Anna? You alright, Anna? You good? You chat to and say hi to you, but I tell you, I have to wait till you say so. Let me say the point. See it through. Alright, donkey. Rally. Okay. So, Titi, how you like down here?
But you can't run water car here.
I say, must we up this? I mean, under that? No.
TV cranny. Down here.
I'm saying it's good for chill. It's good for chill. You know, chill and get one. Allow me to.
One of the elder. The elder if you
Chanel, why do you pose like a 6 though?